So basically what this is the most simplistic DC motor that you can make. It requires just a battery, some wiring connections. You got 2 paper clips, which the current's sent up through to this wire coil, which is just some solid 22 gauge wire coil that's wrapped around a D-cell battery size a couple times, about 3 feet of it. And then what happens is you place it on these paper clips so it sits in it like a little cradle. And the current goes up through the coil and it produces an electromagnetic field. And this field is repelled or attracted by this permanent magnet, and I have 2 of them underneath a little cup, so it increases the magnetic field. And the motor itself will end up stalling like this. You give it a little push and it keeps repelling itself around, repelling and attracting over and over. For me, it seemed to work without painting or covering one of the sides of this copper wire, so it would stop feeding current and it would fall back down. When I did that, it wasn't working correctly, so I just left it without it. However, as you could see before, I was pressing down a button, and this button just is an on-off, and either you press it in and it lets the current go through, or you take it off and the current stops so you don't drain the battery, and that's the basic setup of the whole deal.